Hala,
Oh my
he
God.
passed out.
Oh my God.
He passed out like he is so drunk. Like,
Oh my God. Oh my God. As in, sobrang lasing.
grabe no, like, no one knows how people are living in Shinjuku at night. I mean, at this time. Kasi,
Tonight I'm leaving for Tokyo. Longing for your avenues, I cannot get tired of you. Walking on the streets again, feeling lonely and blue. Tokyo, will we ever meet again? Do you remember me too? I am so addicted to you.
So ayan guys, sama kami ni Sasa ngayon para sa ating another adventure dito sa Shinjuku. We're gonna have like an arte. Ano ka muna, tumahimik ka muna, huwag mo na kinarte. So magkakaroon tayo guys na food tasting and a little bit of pub crawl. Bago tayo pumarty mamaya. Pogi.
so cute. Like, grabe, may paamoy. May
Yes.
paamoy dito. Bago.
Alam mo yung, ito yung nakaka-enjoy na iskinita.
Yeah.
Di ba? Imagine kung ganito yung iskinita sa atin.
Where's your phone? I will take some.
Pero don't be fooled guys, hindi totoo yung mga halaman ha. Design lang yun, decor. And kung gusto nyo rin gawin tabi, pwede nyo rin ito i-book sa Klook. Wala akong code. Use, so, use my Kumares code. Gano'n. Kasi for tonight be, wala kaming plan umuwi. So magpupuyat tayo dito. Pa-morningan ng laban. At kanina, naligaw si Sasa kung saan niya ilalagay saan niya ilalagay na locker yung
Grabe.
camera niya.
I'm 1 hour early. Pero ako pa yung pinaka-late na dumating.
Actually.
Diba? Ako yung pinaka-late kasi the whole exit ng Shinjuku na try ko.
Pogi? Ay, hindi ba ito yung tour guide natin, Be?
Who told you?
Hindi ba sila yan? Ay, hindi ba sila? Nakita ng pogi sumapit yung tour guide.
Yung ATM. Charot. Joke.
Orderan niya, Be.
Today, tonight pala, medyo sabaw na ako. Kasi sobrang daming ligaw. Ako talaga.
Tingnan niyo naman, nilaban ang susena niya, oo.
Tapos mo yung muna.
Andyan si Bubsy at si si Bubsy at si Susie.
Parang mas magagamit ko ito kung hindi ako sa bahay. Ng 5 in the morning.
Ay. Yay! Back to Sida Godzilla, guys.
Mag-itsuran ka naman.
Yeah. Let's go to Ichiran. Our tour guide, guys. Hi, Aki. Konnichiwa. Sa gitna tayo dapat. Sa otal. Hi, how are you? Good, how are you?
Beer, Japanese beer, highball, whiskey soda, whiskey coke, whiskey something, or lemon sour, plum wine, sake, whatever.
I remember.
Beer.
So ayan guys, ito na tayo ngayon sa ating unang destination. Nakain na tayo ngayon ng yakitori.
Hi, I'm Tara.
I'm Francis.
Nice to meet
Nice
you.
Cheers, kampai! Edamame. This is the thighs. So, then the skin. Thighs,
Okay.
liver,
Okay.
skin, meatball,
Nice.
ass.
Nice. Okay.
Or tail if you must.
Oh, this is the thighs. This is
The thighs.
pretty basic, right?
Yeah.
I don't want to try the ass.
So ayan guys, tapos na tayo doon sa ating first destination. After natin kumain doon, ngayon naman, may laman na yung mga sikmura natin. We're moving for a sake bar. So, it's the Japanese wine, sake. Then after daw natin mag-sake, saka tayo mag-KTV bar.
KTV talaga.
Kantahan talaga to. I-ready nyo na yung mga ano nyo pamato ninyo.
Dapat may entry. Francis, kakanta yun ng
My way.
荒れてる感じするよね。
Wow, dami tao, grabe. Dami tao, grabe.
Maganda na.
Wow.
Saturday.
That's true.
Hey guys, we're back.
It's actually like Kim Kardashian of the Philippines.
So, to explain, like, this is the first one, which is the normal. If it's negative, it's sweet. If it's positive, it's... There is a positive.
Okay.
There
Negative.
That's it.
It's all negative.
Yeah. So that's why this is like sour, sweet, sorry. If it's negative, it's sweet. And then...
Bye-bye.
You don't return? Really?
That's horrible.
I genuinely do. My niece is. That's the last one. My niece is getting closer.
You like it?
Yeah, this is the worst one.
Wait,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're not making it to the grand final. You kinda look like Emma Stone. Just 2 more shots.
I was trying to.
I'm a stone. I'm a stone. Cheers for the nails.
From Emma Stone. Emma Stone says cheers.
It's good.
That is spicy.
Ooh.
I like that. Oh, I like this one.
You like it?
I like it.
Ayan, Be. So, tapos na tayo sa ating second stop sa pag-inom ng sake. Now, pupunta naman tayo sa KTV. So, for this KTV, guys, syempre, makaka-copyright tayo. So, wala nang kanta-kantahan.
may entry kami from
Kakanta na lang kami. Huwag kayong mag-alala, Be. Tatayo namin ang bandera ng Pilipinas. We will represent the country. Sabi nila, bakla ka, lasing ka na naman. Hindi, ang paborito ko, kinakanta ko talaga lagi is I love you, baby. I love you, baby. Para alam ng audience. Or, kantay ko, Shakira. Whatever, whatever to be. Hips don't lie, ganun. Or Beyonce, di ba? Di ba?
Know her family.
Kailangan yung performance, pang halftime show. Di ba? Lap on top, ganun mo. Kundi girls. Be, back up dancer kami. Gagawin ka ng shoulder, be. Pero in fairness, guys, nag-enjoy ako sa tour na to. 'Di ba? Somehow it's really nice pag ganitong we meet a lot of people from everywhere na nakakatsikahan namin. It's just refreshing.
Grabe,
Kasi
if narinig niyo lahat ng pinagkukwentuhan namin, sobrang fun nila. Kasi
Sobra.
they are so open.
Yeah.
They're sharing a lot of things about their country, about the country they visited.
and their experience here in Japan, like
Sobrang
it's a nice way bet to meet people. And like if you've done this, comment down below. We got each other, and that's so long. We'll give it a shot. Go! Oh, we're halfway there. Oh, living on a prayer. Take my hand. We'll make it, I swear. Oh, living on a prayer. Living on a prayer. And life like this.
Twice.
I used to live in Melbourne.
在我 by my side，放下晒，连带我在浪尖上。我是我在想要下的梦。
I bring to the internet.
So ayun guys, tapos na yung lahat ng parties natin tonight. And ito na yung Japan at night. Or maybe just Shinjuku at night after all the parties. So tingnan nyo, kalat na siya, B. Kung diba, ang kalat na.
Yeah.
Diba? Actually now, naghahanap kami ng mga kainan na. Kasi naghintay pa ako magbukas yung trend, mga 1 hour pa.
Wala.
Oh my God.
Out.
Oh my God.
He passed out like he is so drunk. Like,
Oh my God. Taan natin. Oh my God. Oh my God. As in, sobrang lasing.
it's normal in Korea, but I'm not sure.
Hala. Oh my God. Oh my God. Grabe guys. Ako yung sasabi ko, nalasing na ako lahat pero di pa nangyari sa pinakamalala sa akin na droga ako.
Okay. Because you're not aware.
Actually, before I got drunk, nalasing na muna ako. Na droga muna ako bago ako malasing. Pero yan, grabe. Ayan guys. Welcome to Shinjuku.
Grabe, no one knows how people are living in Shinjuku at night. At this time. Kasi,
How Shinjuku turns at night.
yeah, because they are like saying
Actually,
na
it's
night.
the red district rin kasi. Though we don't know where it is exactly here in Shinjuku, pero nakakaloka ba?
Most of them, they are Gen Z.
Mga bagets.
I think they are.
Ayun, mga puti ba yun?
Yeah, I think they're always
Waiting for the train.
Yeah, train to
Ay, pagkain na tayo. Kailangan kumakain na dito sa gilid daw.
Because there's Lawson here. Like, if you want to try.
Hindi para sa labas 11 kinuha eh. Ay, Lawson nga, no? Ay, bawal, pinapalisa sila. Ay, bawal kumain po dito, sabi nung drive, nung guard. Pero safe ka naman, do you feel safe?
I feel safe.
Lahat ng mga gamit mo, nasa iyo ba? Cellphone,
Yung
wallet, passport.
Oo, nasa akin naman. I mean, yung pinaka mga importante lang, like gadget, it depends on you na.
Yung gusto niya pong ibigay, hindi nakuha eh. Hindi nabunot eh. Hindi po kami nabunot sa raffle for tonight's video.
Because, I think it's
Puro
better-
local kasi. Puro local siya, puro bagets.
But they are trying their very best to
Communicate.
communicate.
Mm.
They initiate the questions.
Pero ang hirap lang ba kasi siyempre, after, wala na siya rates na to. Paano yung so yung lamig dito ah. Alam mo itong ano, pinanggalingan natin. Ano yan, sikat yan na computer shop. Pwede matulog dyan.
Really?
Oo.
The 24 hours computer shop.
Yung iba, bet, nag-i-stay sila dito sa computer shop na yan instead mag-hotel.
Oo.
Kasi mas nakakatipid sila. Pwede ka mag-stay ng like 3,000 ata, 3,000 for 6 hours.
So it's the same in China.
Ewan ko,
It's
parang
famous. In China, it's famous.
dito famous sa kanila. Famous yung lugar mismo.